In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the dictation feature and transcription feature of Microsoft Word on the web browser, so Microsoft Word Online. Okay, so you will need to have an Office 365 account to use this. So when you log on in the normal way, you go over here in the Home tab and you press the Dictate button. So then you will see below this microphone appear and a bit of a noise in the background to indicate that it's ready to go. And then it's a simple case of pressing that microphone and dictating. Hello, my name is Mark, and today I am giving a demonstration on the benefits of using the Microsoft Word transcription feature. As you can see, it is quite accurate with basic common English, full stop. Some of the other features of this would include colon new paragraph, bullets, undo that, hyphen. You can dictate relatively fast, and it, as I stated, is quite accurate. So when you're finished, then you just simply turn off the microphone. Now, the other very useful tool here that may be beneficial for students if they wish to transcribe their notes in class. So for those students that would have a difficulty in taking notes themselves or typing up, this feature may benefit them, and it's called a transcription. Now, the best way to use this is to bring your laptop into the lecture theatre, get a relatively good quality external microphone. The Samsung Go mic is one example. And to use at the start of the class, you just simply press the down arrow and then simply press transcribe. And then from there, you simply press start recording. And now the class is recording away, and I'm pretending to be a lecturer. So today's date is the 5th of May 2022, and I'm giving a demonstration on the benefits of using the transcription feature in this class today. And one of the benefits of this tool is that it can separate speakers and segment them. So it really speeds up the process of transcription, and you can edit post lecture. So that is the end of this little example. So if I press the save and transcribe now, it performs the transcription online, and I can go back over it and play it back if I wish here. But most importantly, I go down to the end and I press add to document with speakers and timestamps. And there you can see the transcription. Now again, it might not be 100% accurate. There's a lot of factors here that you would need to consider. That would include the quality of the speaker, the actual room, if there's background noise. But again, a very useful tool, and you can, as I said, edit this after the actual lecture to your liking and highlight and so forth. So thank you very much indeed for watching this video.